Tesla stock has been surging and almost broke the $1,000 barrier this February. But with the COVID-19 outbreak, investors started selling off their shares. But today, Tesla released their earnings for the quarter, and the results were very surprising. Before we get into the earnings call, there has been a slew of articles making a big deal out of Elon Musk's comments about his thoughts on the mandatory lockdowns in the US. So let me play a little bit of his thoughts before we get into it.
The extension of the shelter-in-place, or frankly, I would call it forcibly imprisoning people in their homes against all their constitutional rights. That's my opinion, and breaking people's freedoms in ways that are horrible and time. And we're going to have many suppliers, and are having many suppliers that are having super hard times, especially the small ones, and it's causing a lot of strife to a lot of people.
Getting into the earnings call, Tesla reported it increased $1.8 billion in cash and equivalents to $8.1 billion, but operating cash flow did not meet expectations to be positive, as it reported negative $895 million, which it attributed $981 million of outflow to inventory growth. While Tesla did experience a negative impact in production due to the outbreak and containment measures, its Gigafactory in Shanghai, which is expected to produce 4,000 cars per week or 200,000 per year by mid-2020, was able to increase its volume, and the new Model Y was able to contribute to its profits as well. The new Model Y began production this year in Fremont using shared production lines as the Model 3. And Tesla's been demonstrating that it's improving its manufacturing efficiency by producing more Model Ys compared to the first quarter of Model 3 production. As a result, Tesla saw its highest revenue in a quarter, which grew 32% year over year. It also improved on its margins, with a gross margin of 25.5% and a total margin of 20.6%, both higher than a year ago. As a result of Tesla's stellar showing, its stock rose about 4% to $800 just today. As for software updates, it released the stop sign and traffic light recognition and braking capabilities to the public in April. And it launched a dashcam viewer capability where drivers can view videos recorded on the front, back, left, and right cameras. Overall, Tesla's been doing so well and slapping all its haters in the face the past couple months, and if this keeps up, the $7,000 price target by its biggest bulls may become reality one day. As always, thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video.